Hello everyone. Today I just received in my garage the new Bosch Professional tool Cordless Rotary hammer, and I want to make a little unboxing and a short presentation. This rotary hammer is on 18V platform, produce 1.9 joule and have a brushless motor with the SDS-plus socket connector. This package comes without battery and charger. Let's see what we have inside. Let's see, maybe we have some specification on the back of the box. What we can saw here is a Bosch Professional cordless rotary hammer without accumulator. Is the model GBH 18V-22. Have a feature kickback control which reduces the hazard of sudden tool reaction in bending condition thanks to automatic shutdown of the tool. And how I told you, is a SDS-plus, have a rotary control, rotation control clutch, vibration control, LED light, choosal function. And as I told you early, have 1.9 joule impact energy, in no load speed from 0 to 1050 rotation per minute. Impact rate is up to 4675 BPM. Good. This tool have weight without the battery 2.3 kilograms, and the maximum drilling in concrete is 22 millimeters. Let's open the box to see what we have inside. We have here a little bag for it. We have, as usual, we have some manuals. And the rotary hammer. Let's check little to see what we have here. This is the switch of drilling with BPM in concrete. We have here a position for break the concrete, and just the hammer. Continue, and is a brushless motor. Bosch hammer. Here, as you read, we have key control and the vibration control. This hand have a small slot. From here we change the direction. Here we have some information. As you see, we can drill in concrete from 4 to 22 millimeters, SDS-plus. We can drill the metal to 13 millimeter and the wood to 20 millimeter. Here we can put this line. I think I have a battery around here to make a short test. And let's see, just drilling. Drilling with BPM. BPM and just hammer. And have a soft start motor. This is my short presentation. When I test it, I will make another video to see how it's drilling in concrete, in metal, in wood. So keep in touch and see you next time.